So, it's scrambled, and I'm gonna show you how I can do it. It's the next video. All right. So, wait. Let's see if I can solve it from here. Okay. Let's show you guys. All right. Go. Camera's kind of hard to see because I'm just gonna do it without the camera working. But I promise you, I'm solving it. I'm not too well right now. Oh, I already have the yellow cross. Solve the cube step. And that's how fast I can solve it. So, about my best time is 42 seconds. That was probably like 50 something seconds, 47 something like that. Alright, so that's how fast I can solve the cube. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on our videos. Alright, see you guys.